Hello, today we are going to talk about ventilator. I'm going to take you through the Maquet ventilator, and you know what is the function of a ventilator. So this is a Maquet Servo S ventilator. So the first step I'm going to take you, I just want to first of all to you can see the ventilator itself, the monitor, the ventilation system, and the compressor down. So I'll put on the ventilator, put on. Then as the machine is coming on, I'll be taking you through some parts. I'll be talking about the gas flow unit. This is the gas flow unit. From the gas module, we have the two gas modules. This is the air module, which is for the purpose is for controlling to regulate the air. This one is to regulate the oxygen supply. Then you're having the mixing chamber. This is where the inspiratory mixing section is happening. It is happening at this point. Then we have the O2 cell. This is the O2 cell. Then the O2 cell is protected by a bacterial filter. You see it inside. If you open, you'll see a bacterial filter from the inside. Then we have the transducer system. It's working from down here. So this is then you have the patient unit and the expiratory cassette. So the problem that I had in this machine, this is how you start it on. We don't want to start the pre-use check. We want to see, first of all, to see the status of everything. This is the status. As you can see, the air pressure is 00 bars and the oxygen pressure also is 00 bars. That means that there's also a technical error which is appearing. So I'll try to tackle and see what is the problem. But first of all, you see what are the status, what is the status of everything. So I want to see the battery status. It is charged. It has 2 slots, but for now you can see only 1 slot because one of the batteries is already removed. As you can see it here, this is one of the batteries. I want to replace it. This is where you replace the batteries. So this is the unit itself. So for today, that's enough. If you want to know anything about Maquet ventilator, you can subscribe.